Hey guys, welcome back to Rider Review RR. So today we are talking about one of the most visually stunning motorcycles Yamaha makes right now, the 2026 Yamaha XSR900 GP. And this year's version carries a story that genuinely gives me goosebumps as someone who loves motorcycle history. Yamaha designed this year's XSR900 GP as a direct tribute to King Kenny Roberts, the first American ever to win the 500 cubic centimeter Grand Prix World Championship in Sacre-Peur-Port, and his legendary factory Yamaha race machines from the late 1970s and early 1980s. If you know anything about GP racing history, you understand exactly how significant that is. Let's talk about what the GP version actually is for anyone who has not seen one. The XSR900 GP sits at the very top of Yamaha's Sport Heritage lineup, and it takes the same platform as the standard XSR900 and wraps it in a full retro race fairing that looks like it was pulled directly from a vintage Yamaha Grand Prix garage. The fully faired bodywork, the tail section, the color scheme, all of it draws directly from the iconic race machines that Kenny Roberts used to dominate the World Championship. It is one of those bikes that turns heads literally everywhere you take it, and people who do not even know motorcycles stop and stare because it looks so dramatically different and so purposeful. Underneath all that gorgeous retro bodywork is the modern 890 cubic centimeter, liquid-cooled CP3 crossplane inline triple engine, producing a claimed 119 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and 68.6 pound-feet of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute. That CP3 triple is one of the most characterful engines in any middleweight motorcycle today. That distinctive three-cylinder exhaust note, the tractable torque that builds progressively through the entire rev range, and the way it pulls hard from low RPM all the way to the top makes every single ride engaging and genuinely enjoyable. The ride-by-wire YCCT throttle system keeps everything precise and responsive. The chassis hardware is properly serious. You get fully adjustable 41mm KYB inverted forks, a fully adjustable KYB rear monoshock, Brembo radial front master cylinder, spin-forged lightweight aluminum wheels, Bridgestone Batlax Hypersport S23 tires, and the full 6-axis IMU electronic suite including traction control, slide control, lift control, backslip regulator, and lean-sensitive ABS. The 5-inch TFT display gives you Y-Connect smartphone connectivity and 4 display themes. For American riders who want something that looks like a piece of racing history, but rides like a thoroughly modern performance machine, the XSR900 GP is genuinely one of a kind. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to Rider Review RR and catch you in the next one.